I'm Claire from Unhooked Communications, and I've recently taken Kate's Recipe for SEO Success course. There are a few reasons for me taking the course. Firstly, I do a lot of PR for businesses, helping them to get coverage and also links online. So I wanted to make sure I understood how that fitted into all the other elements that impact SEO, to make sure that I was delivering the best service that I could to my clients and making it as effective as possible for them. I also wanted to have the confidence and the knowledge to work effectively with SEO people and digital people. There's been a couple of instances in the past where I've maybe possibly doubted what advice they were giving to my clients, or I wasn't entirely sure what they were doing, but I just didn't have the know-how or the confidence to push back and really question what they were doing. And also I was rebranding my own website, so I wanted to make sure that I could SEO it and hopefully get some new business from it. It was a time and financial investment, so I was a little bit unsure whether or not to go for the course, but I am so happy that I did. It's the best course I've ever done. There are so many resources all in one place, which saves you so much time to start with. All the learnings are really easy to understand. They're all broken down into really easy to manage chunks. Kate has a really straightforward and easy to understand way of explaining things. Everything's very logical as well. Even the more technical side of things, you can still get a good grasp on what it is that she's talking about and what you can do to improve your own website. All the coaching calls were really important and useful too. You get to pick Kate's brain and you get to chat to other people, and the whole group is really great to learn from, because some people have more knowledge and experience than other people, so you can all learn from each other as well as Kate. Already I've had an inquiry through my website from taking the course and sort of tweaking and fiddling with it to help its SEO, which I was absolutely thrilled and so surprised with, because my website is only just launched, and so to already get an inquiry through is just brilliant. So hopefully there'll be lots more of that over the coming months and years as I sort of keep on putting into practice what I've learned from the course. So 2 big thumbs up. Definitely look into it if you work in PR or marketing, or if you run your own business and you've got your own website and you want to SEO it yourself. Like, it's so invaluable and you've got lifetime access to it. I finished the course once, but I'm already ready to go back and start it again, because there's just so many different things that you can keep on putting into practice. So yeah, definitely check it out.